Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP140.dll and VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Let's fix that issue guys. For that you just want to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Select the view by to category view, select the uninstall a program, and in here you just need to right click on the Microsoft Visual C++ 32-bit and 64-bit, right click on it one by one and select change, select repair, select the repair option, select as. After finishing this you just need to click on close. The same thing you just need to do it for Microsoft Visual C++ 32-bit. Right click on it and select change, select repair option, click on as, wait for it and finish the process. After finishing this setup successfully, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After getting restart done, hopefully that can able to resolve our problem guys, but if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel again and open up, select uninstall a program, and in here you just need to uninstall both of it guys. This second solution just need to uninstall and reinstall it. For that, click on uninstall 64-bit and 32-bit, uninstall it, click on uninstall, close out of here and uninstall the same thing 64-bit, click yes and uninstall it. After uninstalling it, close out of here, open up Google Chrome, search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, press enter, click on the first one, Visual C++ distributable for Visual Studio 2015, click on it, scroll down guys, select the language and select download and select the file name, check mark both of it 32-bit and 64-bit, select next and download it. This will automatically downloads up. Click on allow and download it guys. After getting download done, click on show in folder and install it one by one. First I'm gonna install 64-bit, click on agree and install it, click on yes. After getting set up successfully, the next one's 32-bit, double click on it and install it, click on I agree and install it, click on yes. After getting set up successfully, close out of here and you just want to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.